How to send message to group as SMS on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to send message to group as SMS on Truecaller. First open Truecaller and then click on your profile here, and now click this settings icon in the top corner. Now scroll down until you find messaging, and here we'll find send message to group as and select SMS, and that's it. We can select this one MMS, and I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.